With recent positive news coming out, people are wondering if Tesla stock can 4 times from here. Let's explore in this video what is going on with Tesla lately. Are they planning to split their shares again? Possible reasons why people remain so bullish about this company, and at the end, my perspective, if this is the right time to buy, sell, or wait. Hi, my name is Sunny, and I make content that affect a common man financially. So let's dive into today's topic. Can Tesla 4 times from here? If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to it alongside smashing that like button, as that will help me with the YouTube algorithm, and of course, it will be highly appreciated. It is one of the most highly publicized and widely followed companies on Wall Street, while its enigmatic CEO Elon Musk remains extremely popular. From very humble beginnings few years ago, it has now become the darling of investors around the world, where its consumers are willing to wait patiently for up to 6 months to get the delivery of their Teslas. The stock is not for faint hearted as it moves from $600 to $1,200 a share in a matter of few months. Hopefully, they will have a record quarter this time too, while the auto industry is facing supply chain issues. But believe me, record oil prices because of geopolitical scenario around the world is helping Tesla indirectly. In my view, stock investing is not about what the company is doing right now, rather what they plan to do in the future and how well they are executing it today. There are multiple reasons why investors are pouring more money as they add on to their existing Tesla shareholdings, because they can see the writing on the wall while Tesla continues to dominate the EV market. On the day of recording of this video, they are in the process of ramping up production at their brand new plants in Austin and Berlin, which will practically double Tesla's production capabilities. If you look around, can you see any other automaker who has the capacity and capability to build so many EVs? Practically nobody. This gives them a leg up amongst competition who at best are still at the planning stages how they want to build the plants and technology, while their bread and butter internal combustion engine business is on a steady decline. They are way behind Tesla in every aspect of EV making and technologies that powers them, which proves the point why Tesla is valued by the stock market at over $1 trillion. Their biggest strength lies in their innovative new approach towards the age old industry of car making. That is exactly the reason why they are at the pole position while there is no second player in plain sight. Tesla's stock price have been on tear in recent weeks as they are on the verge of delivering their first vehicles from new plant in Berlin, which we all know took an extraordinary long time to get approvals from the Germans. And on the other side of Atlantic, they are planning similar event at their new production base in Austin, thereby bringing total operation plants to 4. As a result, it was but natural that investors were excited and the stock again touched $1,100 a share after a couple of months. Tesla also managed to reverse an unfortunate industry trend in which overall production has been reduced by shortage of computer chips and other parts. They announced recently their intention to have stock split again for second time in 2 years, where the idea is to make Tesla stock more affordable by possible share dividends. It is a very common thing for companies to have stock splits where the idea is to make it more affordable for common Joe on the street. When I invest in a stock, I don't invest it for short term, rather, it is always with a long term investment horizon. Nobody has a crystal ball to predict where the stock market will be in short term, as there are many things that can affect it. In my limited wisdom, if you pick a good stock and hold it for long term, there is a high probability that you will benefit monetarily. That is exactly what I am hoping to achieve when I first started investing in Tesla, because you could see a clear trend away from gas guzzling vehicles towards more sustainable means of transport. We all know oil and gas are finite natural resources which are bound to run out sometime in the future. So there has to be some alternative way to power our modern lives, and that is where, according to me, Tesla is leading the way. Like all other innovators in the past, Tesla was ridiculed and people were making fun of them. How can you run a car with batteries? And they proved everybody wrong. Therefore, I would still buy at these prices as I have got a very high conviction that it can still go out 4 times from here. But that is me, I might be wrong. Do your own due diligence before investing based on your risk tolerance, as I'm not a financial advisor. If you like the content that I make, please help me and my channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing to it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.